Hey everyone, want to manage client projects in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to organize client work, track progress, and improve collaboration using ClickUp step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, create a dedicated space for managing client projects or organize clients using separate folders . A clear structure helps you keep different client work separated and easy to manage. Now create a new project for your client by adding a list or folder with the client's name and project details. Set up your workflow by creating task statuses such as planning in progress review approval and completed . Next, add tasks for each project activity and include detailed descriptions, deadlines, priorities, attachments, and important client requirements. Assign tasks to your team members and use comments, mentions, and file sharing to keep communication organized. Create custom fields to track client information such as project stage, budget, priority, approval status, or delivery dates. Use ClickUp Docs to store client briefs, project notes, meeting summaries, and